I greet you in the name of my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, who is, who was, and who is to come. For today's meditation, we have taken Isaiah 41:17. When the poor and needy seek water, and there is none, and their tongue is parched with thirst, I, the Lord, will answer them. I, the God of Israel, will not forsake them. In this verse, we see how God is concerned about the poor. Yes, Jesus is always concerned about the poor. When they don't have anything, and when they look for and they don't get it, He has promised to give it to you. And He listens to the cry of the poor. Who is poor? Even David calls himself in Psalm 34:6, he is poor. Because when we are not able to do things by ourselves, when we are not able to solve the problem ourselves, we are poor, we are wretched, we are not able to help ourselves. So we fall into that category. And when we cry out to the Lord, He is ready to help us. How He helps us? Let's read a couple of verses down. I will open rivers on the bare heights and fountains in midst of valleys. I'll make the wilderness a pool of water and the dry land springs of water. Yes, He wants to make a bare height into rivers, where rivers will flow. In the valley, fountain will come. In wilderness, He'll make pool of water. In a dry land, spring of water. Imagine this. When God can make a wilderness into a pool of water and a dry land into a spring of water, what God can do in our lives. Are you not having any hope today? All your doors are closed today. God will open a door for you. He will do something which is miraculous in your life. Are you fearing for your health? God will heal you. Not only He provides water there, but He says He will plant trees there and make the wilderness, the desert, into a forest. You read the verse down. I will put in the wilderness the cedar. I will set in the desert cypress. Read those verses and see. So He will make your life to flourish and to shine for His glory. Why He does all that? You read the word down, that they may see, that your people around you may see and know and may consider and understand together that the hand of the Lord has done this. The Holy One of Israel has created this. He will do it so that people around you will understand that God is with you. He will deliver you. He will provide for you in terms of every need of yours. Even if it is a wilderness, He will come and make it flourish for you. May God bless you and keep you so that people around you will know that the hand of God has done it.